Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write essay Wonders of Science. Let's get started. Modern age is the age of science. The world has become smaller. The railway engine has replaced the bullock cart. The aeroplane takes us distant places in a few hours. Man has reached the moon with the help of science. Science has changed our domestic life. Electricity is used in place of coal. We cook on gas stoves. Computers, television, and radios have made life more pleasant. Heaters, irons, washing machines, and freezers are in common use. We can talk on the mobile phone at a distance of thousands of kilometers. Everything is made with the help of machines. The cost of production has gone down. Farmers use many machines in agriculture. Chemicals are used in the fields. In the field of medicine and surgery, science has made wonderful progress. But science has also produced many destructive weapons. It has given atom bombs, hydrogen bombs, tanks, and missiles in the hands of men. It has raised the threat of a nuclear war. Science can be man's friend as well as enemy. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.